Chris with HobbyKing.com with another great product I'm going to talk to you about today. Actually, it's one that we already carry, but we're going to be packaging it a little bit different. It's one I'm pretty excited about. So this is the HobbyKing Mega. This is the 2.5.2 board, so it's got the upgraded voltage regulator on it, so you're definitely not going to have any issues there. So with this, it's been around a while. I'm not going to go into what the HobbyKing Mega is, but it is based on the 3DR project for the HKPilot Mega. Lots of flight capabilities on this, but if you dive into the forums and jump into the product description, you'll get a better idea what this is. But what I want to talk to you about today is what we're bringing to the table with this as far as a package deal. So I didn't want this just to be a flight controller. We've had that up for a while. So what we decided to do is going to make a complete kit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're all including in this package. First thing that we're going to include with this is the GPS. Now, unlike the cheaper Neo 6, this is actually the LEA 6 module, which has the hot start functionality. You're able to flash and update it as well. So it is the improved GPS, much better accuracy, as well as you're able to upgrade it as time goes by as well. So you're getting the HobbyKing Mega Pilot with that. You're getting the LEA 6 GPS with this. Alright, so the next thing we're going to talk about, we're going to throw in the minimal OSD. Now this allows you to tie right into the HobbyKing Mega, and it's going to populate all the data back from the sensors and be able to display it for an OSD. So if you fly FPV, invaluable tool right here, you're going to be able to get a lot of information from this. So that's included in the package as well. Alright, that's not it, guys. We're going to add a little more. The next thing we're going to do is telemetry radios. So we're going to go ahead and chuck in a set of telemetry radios in the set. Now we're going to have two variants of this. We're going to have the 433 and the 915, so you needed to decide which one that is most applicable to you. So we're going to have both of those available. One is for your computer or your tablet using an OTG cable. And the other one is the airborne, and this one's going to plug right into the port on the HobbyKing Mega Pilot right there. So we've got that, and of course it includes the antennas. Next thing you're going to need is some other sensors other than just GPS and telemetry. Now the HobbyKing Mega Pilot, of course, has barometer and gyros and all that already built onto it, as well as compass. Next thing you're going to need is the power sensor. Now this thing is going to go ahead and feed back information to the HobbyKing Mega Pilot as far as voltage and amperage, as well as for providing power for it as well through the 6-pin cable that comes with this. So you're going to get the power sensor as well. So pretty much that's everything that you need. That's everything in there. But you know what? That's not all, guys. You know what? We're going to go ahead and for you, if you order right now, we're going to chuck in all the cabling that makes this absolutely plug and play. It's going to connect all the devices into one thing. You're not going to really have to do anything as far as soldering or any of those. So every device that we just talked about that pretty much covers almost all the sensors other than an airspeed sensor. If you're in an aircraft, you might want to pick one of those up, or an optical flow. But other than that, that's pretty much everything you're going to need as far as sensors to be able to fly a UAV mission, or waypoints, or get feedback via the OSD, or connect to a mission planner. So anyway, so you've got all the cables on this, but we're not done. We've got a little more we're going to chuck in. We're going to add a little more to this value package. First thing is cases. We're going to go ahead and make this a nice clean install, so we're going to go ahead and throw in a case for the HobbyKing Mega. GPS case. We're going to chuck in a case which comes with a pedestal stand, so you're going to be able to get your GPS mounted up high and nice, and be in a nice insulated case. And finally, cases for your telemetry radios. Guys, this is everything. This is cases, this is telemetry radio, OSD, voltage sensors, the HobbyKing Mega, all the cabling to plug into it, a LEA 6 GPS, which is the best you can get at this moment. All ready for you guys, all packaged together in one shot. So if you're interested in the HobbyKing Mega or the APM, which this is based off from 3DR Robotics, go ahead and take a look at this. And as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you next time.